is done. That's them pretty much done.
Okay.
So you'll hear about elephant graveyards, and it's not where elephants go to die. It's just when they get their last set of teeth and their teeth wear down, they move into an area where there's very lush vegetation, and that's kind of the area where they kind of deteriorate and so on. So they're exactly like humans. They age the same way.
Yeah, and stay together and care for each other.
Sorry?
They stay together and care for each other as well.
You'll see where elephants have died. These elephants will move through and they'll pick up the bones, they'll sniff the bones,
I've seen that,
and it's awesome. I've seen it happen, and it's amazing. They age the same way we do. They mature the same way we do. I'm pretty sure they think the same way we do. And elephant can also be very self-conscious. So they're awesome. They're not stupid. they can reason as well.